Good morning. We are starting off our day on another beautiful note. We've got clear skies and a gorgeous sunrise that's going to once again greet us this morning. You can see the colors starting to show up on the eastern horizon on our Storm Team Skycam network, and we'll see that sunrise shortly after 5:30 this morning. So a beautiful start, a warm start for us here in the valley. We have temperatures that are well into the 60s right now just to begin our day. It's 65 degrees in Fargo and 63 in Grand Forks, 65 in the Devil's Lake area as well. And then over to the east, a little cooler but still warm. Temperatures that are at least at 50 degrees here in the valley to kick things off. Now looking at our visibility, we've got good numbers as well for visibility. Nobody reporting low visibility reports anywhere. And in addition to that, the wind is a little bit on the strong side up to the northwest, a lot quieter to the southeast. We have a 13-mile-per-hour speed in Fargo out of the southeast, and in Grand Forks 12 miles per hour out of the south. Radar, satellite showing quiet conditions. We saw the sky was clear on our Skycam, and that's in Fargo, and much of the valley seeing some clear skies, a few clouds here and there, but mainly we are clear. With the tri-state view looking pretty similar. You can see some hints at some changes coming up, some clouds, a little bit of rain in eastern parts of Montana, and eventually we will have that move into the valley and experience a chance for some thunderstorms right here as well. No severe weather being reported right now in the U.S. We're kind of the focus today for any chances for severe. There are some storms along the Rio Grande and looking at some thunder popping up in the southeast as well. So here's a look at our forecast for today. We've got some warm weather coming up, and when I say warm, I should actually say hot. It's going to be hot for us here. Our first 90-degree day in some areas. A look at our temperatures in the next few hours around 9. We're going to see those temperatures already hit 70 degrees at that point. A breezy day, winds out of the southeast, gusting into the 20s to 30 miles per hour. And checking out our planner for the noon hour, expect temperatures that are going to be in the 70s to some low 80s already at that point. And we continue to decline from there. Lots of sunshine still in the valley. As we move into the later part of the afternoon, that's when our hottest time of day is, and it's also when we start to see those storms form. You can see some clouds out to the west starting to develop, but check out these temperatures. Southeastern North Dakota especially, but even up to Grand Forks we could get a 90-degree temperature. A high of 92 in Fargo, 90 in Oakson and Jamestown, and over to the east, maybe not hitting 90 but still warm. Temperatures in the 80s today, and it's going to feel muggy too, so very much in the throes of summer at this point today. So through the evening hours, we see those storms develop, and by the time we get to 8 o'clock, they're going. In eastern North Dakota, some scattered to isolated showers. It's along a cold front. You can kind of see it with the cloud cover and the rain associated with it that will be pushing through the nighttime hours. So the rain and the thunder first hit our western viewing area. You're probably going to have a quiet night for much of the night in Minnesota, at least in the awake hours. Now, if you're heading to bed around 10, 11 o'clock, it's when you're sleeping that you'll see those chances for showers and thunder roll through. This is around 11 tonight. You could see some of those storms pushing or trying to push into Minnesota at that point. And through the overnight hours, they weaken a bit, but there's still that chance for some rain moving through even into the early part of the day tomorrow. So some lingering rain showers and thunder early Saturday morning. That moves on. And then for the rest of the day tomorrow, it's looking pretty good. Temperatures back into the 70s and 80s again for your highs on Saturday. And some sunshine returns as well. So not bad. Again, we have that marginal risk for severe. That's when we do have even a chance for some severe weather, that's the lowest threat. Just means a couple of isolated storms could turn severe. We could be seeing some hail and some strong winds. Beautiful shot of the sunset. Thank you, Melanie, for sharing that with us. And checking out the rest of the planner, again, early showers and thunder showers Saturday. Sunday looks pretty good. It will be slightly cooler. If you like a little bit fresher air, you'll like Sunday. And then into next week, back into the 80s again.
Looking very nice, looking very summer-like yes. As we enter the month of June. Well, speaking of summer, it's an event that really serves as the annual kickoff to summer in Minnesota Lakes Country. We're live at the Street Fair in Detroit Lakes, coming up next.